Techno Industrial Products offers AT9981 1-inch long Anvil impact wrench kit. Impact wrenches are pneumatic operated and provide good torque with long life. Therefore, they are used vastly in automobile workshop, industrial uses, and many other DIY activities. Anvil is 9 inches long and torque is 3,200 Newton meters with 3,500 revolutions per minute free speed, and weight of the tool is 16.5 kilograms. In this kit, we get all necessary attachments like 2 sockets of 32 millimeters and 33 millimeter hoses, connector handle to provide support while working, etc. This impact wrench have reverse and forward mechanism with reverse mechanism in different speeds, which can be adjusted with the help of the knob as shown in the video. All the impact wrenches come with inner metal trigger to avoid any accidental damage as shown in the video. Spares of these tools are also available in case of any wear and tear like hammer, anvil, rotor blade, etc. Now we are seeing working of these impact wrenches. Just attach compressed air to them and they are happy to serve you. Thanks for watching.